The best way to predict your future is to create it. Nearly all men can stand adversity, but if you want to test a man's character, give him power. Government of the people, by the people, for the people, shall not perish from the earth. In the end, it's not the years in your life that count. It's the life in your years. I'm a success today because I had a friend who believed in me and I didn't have the heart to let him down. I do the very best I know how, the very best I can, and I mean to keep doing so until the end. Whatever you are, be a good one. Character is like a tree and reputation like its shadow. The shadow is what we think of it. The tree is the real thing. Those who look for the bad in people will surely find it. My concern is not whether God is on our side. My greatest concern is to be on God's side, for God is always right.